Hi, it's Dr. Khanna, your 1 minute with Laserman. Today we're going to do a short talk on ILEVRO. I'm not endorsing it or anything, but I'm going to talk about this since it's a newer drug, relatively newer drops on the market, and it seems to be working well and a lot of patients may have questions. So it's a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drops. That means whenever there's inflammation in the eye, we can either use steroids or non-steroids. So non-steroids have an advantage that they do not induce increased pressure or cause cataracts. And this is a newer one, which means it only has to be dosed once a day. Side effects, it can sting when you put it, and if you put it excessively, it can damage the epithelium, so don't put it excessively. Relatively less side effects than compared to steroids or the previous generation of drops, even from the same company. If you have any questions, call and ask me or my staff. Thank you and have a wonderful day.